Hey guys, welcome to my channel for the Michael Pinchak Show. I do some watch content. I post my podcast. I do some Formula One talk. And I've always been interested in the measurements for a watch and if they're accurate. According to the website, this Seiko SNXS 79 should have a 37 millimeter diameter case from here to here. So I got for 10 bucks off Amazon some digital calipers. So let's see how accurate these measurements are. So I'm just going to go end to case, 37.1. So if that's accurate, obviously they've rounded a little bit. Now, let's go lug width. Lug width is supposed to be 19. And let me see, gotta get it accurate as possible. Maybe 19.2. 19.1. So I got it close. I was kind of going, what's that? No, I probably bumped it a little bit, but it's just around 19. So obviously, you know, it's hard to tell where exactly to measure from. Am I right on the mark? You know, if I go from here to here, it's 18.5, but I don't think I'm quite accurate there. It's very hard to keep it steady. There, I hit it, 19. I probably bumped it to 19.1, but it is very close to 19. Now, lug to lug is supposed to be 42. Let's check that out. Lug to lug. And it is, let me get that, 42.5. Let me see if I can hone that in a little bit. 42.3. So I got a little bit closer to 42. Let me try that again. So if I go there to there. Yeah, 42.3. This thing's pretty sensitive. So when I move it around to show you on camera, you know, if I bump it just a little bit, that can change. It is millimeters. So that can change the entire reading. But it is close. Now, the thickness. Let's take it off of here, off the pillow. And let's check out the thickness. It's supposed to be 13. So let's check that out. Let me just do it just like that. Maybe go like that. 11.8. It was 11.6. I probably bumped it up to 11.8. 11.9 because I'm bumping it. Is there a way to like lock it? I haven't messed with this too much. Wonder if there's a way to like lock it in. Yeah, I'm getting 11.5. It's supposed to be 13. Yeah, there's another 11.5. So I don't know. It's supposed to be 13, but this is telling me that this thickness is only 11.5. So I don't know where that 13 came from. But I always wanted to do this. Let me know if you guys out there in the watch world have ever bought some digital calipers and actually measured your watches to see how the watch manufacturers actually, you know, publish the dimensions of the watch. This set of digital calipers is only 10 bucks off of Amazon. You can go between millimeters and inches. When you go all the way in, make sure to zero out, and then obviously it turns on and off. Very simple. Don't need anything more complicated than this if you're just trying to have fun with your watches. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you next time on The Michael Pinchak Show.